In recent years, man has been able to travel to see this beauty. How long will we be able to do so? Competition is hot to find a means of travel that not only reduces pollution, but also addresses the ever-increasing concerns of global warming and the greenhouse gas emission issue. One of the imperatives of future technology is sustainability, and the single most sustainable source of energy is the sun. The World Solar Challenge not only provides one of the world's great scientific adventures, it also presents one of the world's most imposing challenges. The challenge to design and build a car that is capable of crossing the vast and imposing Australian continent using only daylight for fuel. Departing the balmy tropical streets of Darwin, the World Solar Challenge will head off on its mighty trek across the vast and taxing Australian outback. Its destination, the South Australian capital, Adelaide, some 3,000 kilometres to the south. The rules are simple. The solar-powered cars are only allowed to commence the challenge with no more than a nominal 5 kilowatt hours of stored energy. The only fuel they are allowed to access is solar radiation. As morning breaks, the team set off again under the strengthening Central Australian sun. The basic ingredients for this challenge are simple. The vehicles must be roadworthy, be able to average a minimum speed of 40 kilometres per hour, and be managed by a crew that possesses plenty of enthusiasm. First run in 1987, the challenge is now an international event that now attracts an international audience of millions and holds the attention of media outlets worldwide. This level of interest provides sponsors with long-term exposure opportunities through not only in-situ news reports, but also the distribution of documentary material in the months and years following the challenge. The World Solar Challenge is to some the ultimate test of endurance. To others, the challenge is in the excellence of engineering that is required to compete. Whatever level of involvement from volunteer officials to teams and support crews, it is unquestionably one of the great scientific adventures of the modern times. The entrants representing the full cross-section of solar technology, from multinational corporations to highly competitive high school students who give the entire field a genuine run for their money. The race is on to develop the right technology, the technology to take the eventual winner to Adelaide and onto the winner's rostrum. The time is now to make the commitment, set the goals, and be a part of the future, and to be a part of one of the world's great adventures. For entry packs and media and sponsorship opportunities, go to our website www.wsc.org.au. The World Solar Challenge, an initiative of the Government of South Australia and supported by the Government of the Northern Territory.